The last car for today is going to be this gorgeous 2015 M3. My next favorite car. I love the combination of the interior, the steering wheel, this and that, but long story short, the car is here today for a steering wheel replacement. I guess the customer wants a much beefier, much thicker steering wheel. Looks like steel, OEM, it says M Performance, carbon fiber. On the side here there is a hole, so what you do, there is the spring right here. You just push the spring and it releases the spring from right here. Super easy. So once you remove the screw, super easy, comes right out, and obviously we're gonna have to transfer all the buttons and all the trim from this to this. Okay, so those gonna be the extra part they came with, so we're gonna have to transfer and put them right here. Honestly, I never did a transfer like this before, so I guess we'll just figure out as we go. One thing is going to be for sure, he is going to lose his heated steering wheel because this one is not heated, so that kind of stinks. Well, this one is going to be out of use because that's part of the heated steering wheel. The customer wants to switch from black buttons to red, and right now it's kind of nerve-wracking because I don't want to break anything. I hate when stuff breaks, so being very careful. There you go. And this is M1. M1, so let's do M2. Okay, so when you put the board in, make sure that the toggle here works. So then don't forget to plug in the connector because it might be a pain later on or might be impossible. So Look at that. Looks pretty good. So this one will give it an extra 20-30 horsepower just by being red. Oh, this is big difference. This is heavy. Now it's time to replace the pedal shift with carbon fiber. There is a pin right here. Bigger end, smaller end. You push from the smaller end. Pin comes out. And the pedal gently comes out. There is a spring in there, so you gotta be careful. There you go. Just like that. And then there is a screw right there. I just need the screw because the pedal shifts that came with a bracket, so I just need the screw pretty much. Negative. So there is kind of a channel right here and a slot. You just slide them right in. And just locks it in place. Then we grab the cover that came with it, behind it. And gently. Perfect. And it's gonna be somewhere in here. Cool. Same thing on the other side. Then, oh, spring. Got to have the spring. Gently back. Make sure the holes are lined up. And works. Looks badass. Looks really good. I thought it was missing, but it's not. Because I guess the screw that holds this in place holds everything. So. Okay, one last thing. So when you run the wires down, you got to make sure that if you look right here, there's a hole. That's where you release the spring. Make sure that those wires are tucked underneath. So for the next guy that has to take the airbag out, they're not going to be on the way. So yeah. just checked all the buttons. They work just perfectly fine. They light up. This is the new steering wheel. So I guess I'm gonna go for a test drive. They work. Test drive went great. Everything works. Super happy about it. It's super easy job to do. Just make sure, label everything, make sure keep track, don't break anything, and super easy job.